Now this is the same type of thing, right? So what happens is, right, price will go like this. It'll be high, high, low, high, high, right? Price can be doing something like this, right? Like this, right? Now there's some liquidity right here, right? Because remember I told you sell side liquidity. So this will be your sell side liquidity. Sell side liquidity. So this will be a sell side liquidity, right? Let's say, it's ranging. What we would want to see is, remember, it needs to be into some type of zone, right? So let's say this is a fair value gap right here. If this is a fair value gap, then we want to see price come here. We want to see price sweep the liquidity first. Once price sweeps this sell side liquidity, what we're going to do is we're going to drop down to a small time frame. So, for example, if this is, let's say, a 4 hour, right? If this is a 4 hour zone, then we want to make sure that this right here, this level right here, is like a 15-minute. This is mad powerful, right? 15 minutes. Right? But remember, this has to clean liquidity first. Once this clean liquidity first, right? Because this whole entire thing could be the 4 hour, right? This whole entire thing could be the 4 hour. After you see a 4 hour sweep, right? You're gonna wait till the next candle print. If the next candle prints something like this on a 4 hour, right? Let's say this whole entire thing is a 4 hour, and I'm actually gonna make it better for you, to be honest. If this prints like this on a 4 hour, hold on. If this prints like this on a 4 hour, right? If this prints like this on a 4 hour, so let's say this whole entire thing is the 4 hour zone, right? But this right here is the 15. What it's going to look like on a 4 hour is this. This is going to be a 4 hour candle, right? This is going to be a 4 hour candle. But when you drop down to the 15-minute, this is actually what you want to see. This is your 4 hour level here, and this is your 4 hour candlestick. Your 4 hour candlestick can be cleaning that sell side liquidity like this, right? This right here could be this whole entire 4 hour candle cleaning that sell side liquidity on a 4 hour zone. And I think I was showing you that it looks something to that nature like this. So this would be your 4 hour display. This would be your 4 hour zone. And this is what it would look like. This is what it would look like on a smaller time frame. This will be the 15. This will be the 4 hour. This will be a 4 hour level. Does that make sense?
All right, cool. So just to reiterate, when you see a turtle soup, it needs to be liquidity here. Price needs to be on a 4 hour zone. This 4 hour candle here needs to be printing a charge on a 15-minute level after the liquidity sweep. So it's always going to be after your liquidity sweep, you're looking for entries. This right here would be like your 4 hour level. This would be like your 4 hour zone. Right? Let's say this is your 4 hour trend line, right? So this is your 4 hour trend line. This is your 4 hour chart. Price prints like a liquidity right here. Then you can see that this will be like your fair value gap. Right? This will be your fair value gap. Come down into your 4 hour level. This candle, this liquidity sweep right here, 9 out of 10, is going to print something like this on a 15-minute level. Right? So that's like your turtle soup. Very powerful. After the turtle soup, after your liquidity sweep, you always want to look for your charge inside your zone. They all got to correlate together. So, right.